Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying hardware and power. Make sure your PC has Bluetooth and the accessory has battery above 10%. Once done, put the accessory into pairing mode so Windows can find it. Now open Start, go to Settings, choose Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices. This path gets you to the control surface where pairing happens. Make sure airplane mode is off, otherwise Bluetooth is blocked. You're now ready to add the device in the next step. You click Add Bluetooth or Other Device, then choose Bluetooth. Windows begins scanning. When your accessory appears, select its name. This initiates pairing. If a PIN appears, compare it with the accessory and accept on both ends. This secures the connection. During pairing, patience matters. Don't move too far or press power buttons that interrupt discovery. Once Windows shows a successful connection message, the device is ready. Make sure it's set as default audio or input if applicable. You finish by setting the device as default for audio or input in sound settings so apps use it automatically. If pairing failed, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then try again. Soft resets fix many issues. If problems persist, restart the Bluetooth support service or reboot Windows. As a last resort, open Device Manager, update or reinstall Bluetooth drivers to resolve compatibility issues. These steps cover most failures. Try them in order, and then repair the accessory once.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.